An above-counter loop system kit includes the following components: a hearing loop driver, an above-counter loop aerial, a microphone, a power supply, and fixings. The IL-K300 above-counter hearing loop aerial can be located in various positions. It is ideal for counters that have no access for the installation of an under-counter aerial. It can be stuck to glass using the double-sided pad, or placed on the desktop using the desktop mounting bracket. For this demonstration, we will stick it to the desktop mounting bracket. Take the backing from one side of the double-sided pad. Place the mounting bracket in an upright position on the corner of the pad so that it is flush with the edges. Roll it over the pad so that the pad is attached to the stand. Use scissors or a knife to cut the pad along the edges of the stand. Make a hole for the loop aerial cable to go through. Push the aerial plug in and then pull the cabling through. Hold the stand tightly onto the counter and peel off the cover of the double-sided pad. Take the aerial, place it onto the countertop, and draw the cable through the stand until you can push them together. Feed the cable through the access hole in the counter. Finally, remove the backing from the bottom of the stand and place the aerial on a suitable location on the counter, ensuring the surface is clean of dust and debris and that the aerial is correctly positioned. Connect the M72 microphone to the HLD2 hearing loop driver. There are two connectors, one with a white cable for the microphone, one with a yellow and red cable for the LED. Your kit could include other types of microphones that may not have an LED light and thus will not come with this connector. Connect the microphone connector into the microphone sockets labelled 6 and 7. Take the LED connection and insert it into the LED sockets labelled 3, 4 and 5. Place the M72 microphone on the staff side of the counter as close as possible to the speaker, but in a secured and unobstructed position. Fix the microphone into position using either 2 screws at the base or the supplied double-sided tape. Connect the hearing loop plug into the loop sockets labelled 1 and 2 at the rear of the HLD2 driver. Now connect the power connector to the far left socket labelled power. Mark the 4 fixing points for the driver under the counter. Drill and fix the driver in place using the supplied screws. The driver's blue front should face outwards, with LED lights ideally visible. Route all cabling securely, fixing cables into position using provided cable clips or other suitable fixings. Install the driver's power supply close to a power socket outlet using the supplied mounting bracket and fixing screws.